Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Block of the Martin. Together we will be preparing to the Bacalao. We need to wash this very well because it has a lot of salt. See? This is like 1 pound. Some potatoes, you need some at least like three or four potatoes. That's all that you need. So here I have all of my bacalao. We're gonna process to wash it very well and try to get all of this salt out. And let's see, okay? I'm going to show you. And guys, here I have my water already boiling. We will be adding the Pollok. That has a lot of salt. I'm going to show you a little trick that I do, and like that it doesn't get like salty. I'm going to add 2 spoons of sugar. We're gonna let it boil for around 10 minutes, and then after that I will show you the result after it's been boiling. If you don't like that much onion, that's fine. Everybody's different. But I will show you what way I like to cut my onion, okay? Like that, very tiny. This is what I do, then like that, it doesn't smell or have the flavor that much on onion. I know a lot of people that they don't like the onion because of the smell. If you have that problem, so this is the solution, okay? Green pepper. Going to show you, I'm gonna put it in very small pieces. Here we have our green pepper. We have the onion that is already with lime until we get ready to prepare it, so it will be getting out all of that smell, but it really gets so delicious, okay? Here I have some baby tomato that we will be adding to the Pollok. So we will be cutting them in small pieces because I really don't like all the way like that, so I like to cut it and get some of the seeds out. And let's do this. Our baby tomatoes. The last thing, here I have my potatoes that I will process to. This is the potato. We will be cutting in this way. Cutting the half. And then we put it in 3 parts. Well, this one I'm gonna put it in 2 or 3. This is kind of, see? This is the way we will be cutting our potatoes.
Nice cutting.
Oops, that's okay. have my pan already with some olive oil. We will be processing to do our onion first, okay? Remember that has the lime juice. So we will be adding now the baby tomatoes. Add a little water like this, not that much, just a little. And for 3 minutes until that gets some red color. It's getting red, you see? So when it's like that, we will be adding the potato, okay? Because the potato have to go for them to be able to cook. And we will cover. We will cover for about 10 or 12 minutes because like that the potato will be able to cook, okay? Let's leave it for 12 minutes. During the time the potatoes are cooking, we will be taking out the Pollok, the Bacalao. See? We take it out. Let's do this easily. I like you guys to be able to see every dish. So here is the Pollok, the Bacalao. So we will leave it for a while there until the potato is cooked. How it looks. How do you know if the potatoes are already cooked? You just do it like that. See? And you cut it right away. So this means it's cooked. So now we will be adding our green pepper. And finally, we will be adding our Pollok, nuestro bacalao. Bacalaito, bacalaito. Vamos a ir agregando nuestro bacalao. See? Do it carefully. So we will leave it for 2 minutes. Bacalaito, bacalaito, bacalaito. Look at this. This is all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more healthy videos like this with Pollok of the Martin because together we are a big family. ¡Woo! Este es tu bacalao y mi bacalao. Aquí está.